Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. Today we have a lecture 22 of ICT A to Z beginner series. In today's lecture, I will going to show you the silver bullet example on a NAS 100, our most favorite pair of ICT himself. And if you trade these assets on a future class, this is the name E-mini Nasdaq 100 futures and E-mini S&P futures. Okay. So I am using an indicator of Lux Algo session. Okay. So here are you will see a yellow, light yellow, Sydney, Tokyo, London and New York. So basically I will show you in this video all three. I'm trying to show you all three trades of London, New York AM and PM session. So make sure you stay with me and watch this video till end. So the first thing here is a London. So we have first we mark out our all day 3 and K4 first, then second our 10 and till 11. All right, and then 2 p.m. right, 3 p.m. Okay, so we have these three setups all day. Okay, so what happened at the opening? Price took the liquidity, right, as you seen here. I will put back. Then price make a market structure shift here, give us a fair value gap. Folks, note that point. Many time ICT said no need to be a market structure shift in this type of setup. Why? That these setups are like a 15 handles, 5 handles, or 50, or you can say 15 pips or 20 pips. Okay, so as you seen here, from our entry to target is almost more than 10 handles, right? So ICT suggests just take a 500 or 800 per day on this 1 hour time frame window, so it will be enough for you, right? So what happened here, we have market structure shift, we are adding market structure shift as a more confluences, right? So you will have this fair value gap and you will target of Sydney high, and the previous day this fair imbalance fill out, right? Then if market reach upside, then we have first target, second target and the third target, but market come back after that, right? So the entry was over here. Once the market first take out this, we will put our stop loss to break even and take some partial on the first liquidity, as this is the Sydney high, right? And then on New York AM session, we have here liquidity silver previous day, we have market structure shift, but we don't have any fair value gap here. So if you will see in a 1 minute time frame, obviously you will see a liquidity, a fair value gap. Let me show you. Okay, see here, this is the 10 a.m. we have this fair value gap, market structure shift already happened on 5 minute time frame. We have fair value gap plus we have this breaker block, right? Multiple confluences, target the opposite side liquidity or a 50% above premium, right? Then we have a 5 minute, we will go back to our 5 minute and we will wait for our 2 p.m. right? So we have this shift, we have this first fair value gap, we have our second fair value gap. Market give us reaction, first liquidity and second liquidity, a previous day high. And one more thing, you will see, I teach you in TikTok, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Wow. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. See, the distribution always happen on New York Open. what here? Open, accumulation, inflation, distribution. Open, give you okay, don't go for a manipulation, right? I'm right. Then in the London Open, in the New York Open, market go for manipulation and then distribution, right? Every day you will see this type of price action. Here, open, direct go for, but come near to your opening and then go for distribution. You will see these setup every day. You just have to catch only one setup and you will see. Okay, so make sure you join our Telegram channel and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, be safe.